With Joshua. So what you gotta do is this. What is the white powder? It's necessary for cooking. Now you have to stir it. Stir, stir. Don't make a mess like I did and put the cheese sauce aside. Then you gotta microwave it. Duh. Cook it. Watch YouTube while you wait. Once you're done, you take it out. Once you take it out, you say, "Ew, that is not like macaroni and cheese at all. What is this?" Oh, make something like grandma's. Then you put the cheese in. Then you look and say, "Ew, that's disgusting. Oh, I should have asked my mom to cook it. No, I'll never look at macaroni and cheese the same again." Then you forget the instructions and read the instructions again. If it works. Yeah. Then you say the magic words and stir. Abracadabra. Yah yee saucy Fortnite. Minecraft is amazing. OMG! Wow! Look! All of a sudden it's all changed. The magic words worked. And then you eat it. Not gonna show me eating it just cuz.